Hey loves, I'm Farlie Solomons and today I'm going to show you how to create this Thanksgiving look. So let's begin. The foundation that I have used today is Revlon Color Stay Normal Dry and my shade is 240. The primer that I have used today is Revlon Color Stay. The palette that I have used today is Urban Decay Cherry Palette. For the eyebrows, I use Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade and my shade is Ebony. The first shade from the palette goes Hot Spot on the entire eyelid and also the brow bone. The next shade is Feels from the same palette. This goes on the outer corner as well as the inner corner. Always in circles. As you can see, I have used a fluffy blending brush and what I'm doing is the outer corner I'm pulling it closer towards the tip of the eyebrow and the inner corner I'm pulling it closer towards the starting point of the eyebrow. Adding a little bit more of the shade. Always in circles, keep blending it and keep diffusing it. Adding more of the shade, leaving the center and the crease line. The same shade goes on the lower lash line too. The next shade is Bling from the same palette and this goes again on the inner corner as well as the outer corner. As you can see, I have used a small blending brush. Then goes Bang Bang from the same palette and this goes right in the center and a little bit on the crease line. Basically I'm just sweeping the shade in the center and the crease line. A little bit more of the shade. It's a beautiful shade. I have used a very light blending brush to place the shade. Devilish goes next. I have used a smaller blending brush here. Basically, I'm just placing the shade and then I have used a fluffy blending brush just to diffuse the shade into the other shades that I have used. And pulling it out from the outer corner towards the tip of the eyebrow, just like that. A little bit on the crease line with light hands. Then I'm using the same brush that I used for Bang Bang. I'm just going to sweep this brush over the crease line and just on the outer corner. I have not added any shade. I simply used the brush just to go over the crease line and the outer corner. That's it. Then goes Drunk Dial. Drunk Dial goes on the outer corner as well as the inner corner of the eyes. Use a small brush to place and then a bigger brush to blend it. Don't forget to leave the center of the eyelid. Blend it and diffuse it as much as you can. Young Love goes on the lower lash line too. Privacy is the darkest shade and this is the last shade that we are going to use today and this goes on the outer corner. Blending, I have used a very small brush to place this shade on the outer corner and then I have used a fluffy brush to diffuse the shade and pull out the shade a little bit towards the tip of the eyebrows. Make sure you always do this with light hands. Don't press the brush, as this might just completely change the look. And then using Privacy on the outer corner of the lower lash line too. And this is how this look is. This is how the eyes should look. Super easy, super gorgeous, and super beautiful palette. The next product that I'm using is MAC Pressed Pigment, and this is in the shade Sweet Acting. This goes near the tear duct area, that is the inner corner, and this goes on the brow bone too. I think my look is never complete without adding glitter. The eyeliner that I've used today is Maybelline Hyper Sharp Liner, and this is in the color brown. For the mascara, I used Hourglass today. I did go off camera and I did apply my false eyelashes, and this mascara goes also on the lower lash line. I love the brush of this mascara. It's thin and the color is black, so basically this brush really fits even the lower lash line of mine. So definitely recommend if you are looking for something really black and that fits the lashes, and you basically can curl your lashes with this brush. It's that flexible, it's that good. So yep, this is how the eyes should look like. For the face, I have used YSL Radiant Touch Concealer, and the shade is in number 2, and this goes under the eyes. It's a pen, and this is how it looks like. And this is my favorite concealer because I really don't like to apply a lot of concealer, but if I do, I want it to be subtle, and this concealer is not thick at all, and it does have full coverage, but it also depends. It depends. If you have something really dark and you want to cover something, this is not for you. The loose powder that I have used today is Kate Tokyo Face Powder, and this is actually called Kate Tokyo the Base Zero Face Powder, and this has a little bit of shine too, so that's the reason I use this, because it gives that really nice glow under the eyes, and I love that. So this is how the look is. To sculpt my face, I have used Guerlain Terracotta, and my shade is 03 Natural Brunette, and I love this. I love this bronzer. It's super gorgeous, and I think I'm having this with me for the past 6 months, I guess, and you won't believe if I say that it still smells so good. It's super beautiful, and it is, the smell itself like makes me go, wow, I just want to use this product. I love this product, and this goes on the forehead, hollows of my cheeks, and the jawline, and not forgetting the nose too. It simply blends into the skin. I don't have to do too much. I'm a big fan of bronzers. I love to use bronzers. Earlier I should just use it for summer, but I think I'm just going to use it throughout the year. And then adding some loose powder under the bronzer that I have used. This also makes the jawline look neat. Basically the space between the jawline and the cheeks. It makes it look neat and clean, and it gives you a good structure. And if you have a broad jawline, then I'll suggest not to do this, because it's going to make your jawline look more broader. So yep. And then shaping my nose. I am going to shape my nose with the same bronzer. I love to shape my nose, and I think the whole look is incomplete if I don't shape my nose. That's it. And then I'm using the same brush, my bronzer brush, just to go over the nose and the forehead a little bit. So this is how it looks like. I love this. The blush that I have used today is NARS, and it's Desire. It's called Desire, shade Desire. And as you can see, I'm just going with a fluffy brush on my cheeks, and I'm going straight from my nose towards the ear. Straight, that's it. There is no going from the mouth towards the hairline. It's just straight from the nose towards the ear. So this is how it looks like. I love this look. Did you like this look? Because I loved it. I anyways like pinks, you know. When it's winter, I like pink. I like purple. Yep, I love these shades. The highlighter that I've used today is Too Faced Candlelight Glow, and it's in shade Warm Glow. And I'm just going to pick up the shade and go on the bridge of my nose and the cupid of my upper lip, and also my cheekbones. Voila, I love this. I love this highlighter too. It's my favorite. And then I'm just going to use a brush to diffuse it and spread the product on the skin. For the lips, I have used Color Combos Be Happy in shades 03 and 02. This is a lip balm, and I love it. I also like Color Combos products, and these are made in Taiwan. I don't know from which country this product is, but I assume that this is from Taiwan, so it must be a product from there, you know. This is how the look is with the pink one, with the pink lip balm. Zero 03 goes right in the middle of the upper lip as well as the lower. Just there. Goes right in the middle. This makes the lips more luscious and it makes the lips look full. So, yep, you may not add two shades. If you like, you could go with just one, but I like doing this. So this is the final look. I hope you guys liked this look as much as I loved creating this look for you. So if you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Mwah.